Hey guys, this is Jason and Joni from Mustang Rehab. Here today, got a couple of interesting things to talk about. So it'll be a quick video. You guys don't run away. We got a couple questions and a couple cool things to show you. So bear with us, okay? What should we address first?
The name change.
The name change, okay. Guys, I don't know if I'm sure a lot of you have. Recently, the B is for Build lost his Mustang because of he was using the E word. I can say Eleanor. I don't have one here. I used to have one, but
Well, we used to have one, and ours was actually from the company who built
right, it
the
was
car
legit.
for the movie. So we had the paperwork on ours, but we sold it. So
Right. It was legit. So, anyways. Our name, I've had it as Mustang Rehab. I thought it was a really interesting, just sort of a cool name because that's what we did. We liked building Mustangs. And it kind of got her worried that as we build our channel, what if they come after us because we call it Mustang Rehab? So what we're thinking, and you guys comment, let us know if it works. We're thinking of...
Well, we're thinking about Jason and Joni Builds. He's actually, the term a jack of all trades. He's like a Jason of all trades, so he kind of does a little bit of everything. Unfortunately, I have not been doing videos on the things he has already done to our house, which I wish I would have now, hindsight, but oh well. So we thought that maybe that would kind of include this side and that side a little bit.
Sounds like double work to me.
Oh, it is. I keep him busy. He's got a long honey-do list.
Oh, Lord. So anyways, what do you guys think? Jason and Joni Builds. I like it because she's always supported everything I've ever built. Really has, honestly. This is our 25th anniversary this year. So we have done a lot together, and the name is kind of fitting to me. So, anywho, what do you think? Is that good? Do you want any other name? I like Jason and Joni Builds.
That was just a little tidbit we want to throw in there. And the main thing we want to talk about was this awesome guy that reached out to Jason, and I'll let him tell you a little bit about him.
Yes, shout out to JB Custom Fabrication. His email couldn't have come at a better time. Honestly, we're buying parts for this thing: suspension, transmission, rounding up drivetrain pieces, and he fabricates twin stick shifters. And then they have a plethora of other items for the rock crawling, for the four-wheel industry. So you need to go check them out. I'm talking about I think he's been in business since 1995. This is American-built stuff. But anyways, it was just, honestly, it's quite cool because it was perfect timing because I was honestly looking. And so he reached out and said, look, I'd love to send you some parts for content. So luckily, JB Custom Fabrication sponsored this in the next couple videos because we're going to do a teardown of our transfer case and rebuild. We're going to install the twin stick, show you how they install. We won't show it in the Bronco because it's not going back together yet, but now we just want to show you, just sort of go through the box, do like an unboxing video real quick for you because this was impressive in itself.
I'm sure most guys don't notice this, but anyways, just want to show you how well packaged. And keep in mind, he was like a little kid in a candy shop already digging through it. But
that's cool.
So we have a business card, which we will do a close-up on that. Stickers.
Let me show you this real quick. This is the transfer case rebuild kit he sent.
But look how it's like divided with, each little section for the parts and pieces. I mean, I'm pretty sure I've never seen this before, ever.
Well, it's got every part. This is a master rebuild kit. The bearings, these are not China bearings. These are quality bearings. All the gasket material. This is all quality stuff. This isn't just run of the mill stuff you're just gonna go buy off eBay. Anyways, awesome looking kit. Everything I need to build the transfer case is right in here. So I'm loving that. Now to some of the pretty stuff. And okay, so what you want to show them?
Well,
oh yeah.
Oh. I don't know if you can see that, but it says cheers, John and Rhonda. So they actually took the time to write a little note, and I thought that was super sweet.
This bottle opener, if y'all can't tell. Check this out. Billet Knobs. They have 3 different styles of knobs you can choose from. You can go to the round, billet, and then polished. Our Bronco is going to be trimmed all in black, so it'll be the Caribbean turquoise and black. Probably going to have more black than we will chrome. So we chose these, and these look really nice. They've got all the lettering on it for your shift, where your shift is actually at. They also sent this shift rail kit. It's stainless steel CNC machine. It's got better detents basically to help keep from popping out of gear when you're running out there on the trails. So you can adjust the firmness with your with your detent balls and all. So anyways, it's just another upgrade to make this Bronco operate and do what it's supposed to even better. But this is the kind of stuff he offers, and guys, make sure you check him out. Now the pretty stuff.
Twin sticks.
Check that out. That is going to look so sweet. The sticks are nice looking, polished stainless. They've got a oil impregnated bronze bushings installed. All the bracketry is all laser cut, and it's just really, really nice looking stuff. I can't wait to have these on. And I feel bad I don't have the boot in front of me. I'll show you that boot when we do the rebuild and we get the sticks put on there. But it's a really good looking boot that goes in your Bronco, goes in the body. I'm a little crazy. I left it, so I'll show you guys that in the next video.
He left it over at the house.
But this is awesome looking stuff, guys. This guy's been in the business for a long time. I was actually researching on the transfer case rebuild, just sort of reading some forums and stuff. And whose name did I come across? John's from JB Custom Fabrication. He had been commenting in the forum, helping people out, offering his advice. So he's there, he's helping. So give these guys a call. Go to the website. We're going to have that in the description. We're going to have it on the screen. Check them out, guys. Like I said, it'll be worth your time. But anyways, we appreciate you guys watching. We're growing, and we hope to continue. And glad Joni's here with me, and hopefully we're going to keep getting her a little bit more involved. Well, she's actually the most involved. You just don't see her. I want her to be a little bit more part of the videos, helping
I'm
me.
the camera woman.
Yeah, so
it's hard to be behind it and in front of it.
she can sure bark at me.
Yeah, if y'all could only, we need to do a behind the scenes video of me pausing and look at the camera.
Anyways, like I wasn't just looking at the camera.
See?
Hey guys, thanks again for watching. Hopefully it hadn't been too boring, but help us out with the name. And again, if you just see it change one day, that's the reason. We're just trying to make sure that we're not overstepping our bounds, and them give us a call when we get deep into this. So we're trying to take care of issues now. But again, shout out to JB Custom Fabrication.
Please subscribe. We really appreciate all the wonderful comments, and it's just really nice to see the nice community that's surrounded us on YouTube so far.
All right, well, see you on the next one. You guys have a great day. Take care. Bye. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys bearing with us through this bit.